God forbid I'm going to spend $50 a week to save 4 or 5 Jews from losing their eternity. God forbid. I'd rather waste it on a steak every week. Why should I save 5 souls every week? That's the situation of our communities. I have only one word for it. Shame on us. Big shame. Huge shame. Shame on us. We're going to cry for it for eternity when we leave this world. I promise you this. I promise you. Everyone that could have sponsored Kiruv to save souls and did not do so, he can never call himself a Baal Tshuva. Remember, we learned it. Remember or no? When we learned the previous chapter 2 weeks ago, before Yom Kippur, you can never be Baal Tshuva if you don't give your life to save other souls. Because it shows you don't care about God. You don't care that he loses children. So how can you call yourself Baal Tshuva? Baal Tshuva means you're loving God. You want to prevent tragedies. You want to save miserable people. If you don't care about any of the above, how can you say you're righteous? You're not righteous. You're not as bad as you used to be. Yeah, that's for sure. But Baal Tshuva, don't dare to call yourself. Why? Because Baal Tshuva would give a kidney to a stranger not to let him die. Kidney, it's $150,000 in the black market. If you would give a kidney, why can't you give $100 to put it to all your friends and family that they should wake up and see? You saw, I was just telling you about LA, one lecture of 2.5 hours. From 120 people that were driving on Shabbat, the next day only 10 drove. 110 people did not come to the free meal, which they always come. Why? One lecture about Shabbat, they got the point. If I wouldn't go there, another 20 years they would come with a car. That's it, that's the bottom line. One lecture, many Shomrei Shabbat joined the Jewish nation now. They're back to life. CD has 30 hours, not 2 hours. One CD. One USB has 1,000 hours. $20. One USB. Non-stop Torah for the next few years. He won't ever finish it. By the time he finishes the 1,000 hours, he has to go back to the beginning because anyway he doesn't remember anything. One device, you give it to your brother, for the next 20 years he's going to listen to Divrei Torah in a car non-stop. Always. On the roads, driving here, driving there.